She know that she bad, but she claim that she good. Straight from New York with a boogie, no hood. I like the way that she flexin', she could. She got a walk and a talk from the hood. She hit my DM a couple of hearts. Said hit my line, now we can't be apart. She on my phone, all we do is talk. She on my phone, all we do is talk.
Hello to my channel. This is my first video. First video. Well, my third video that I filmed. This is the only video that I'm gonna edit and post because the other ones didn't turn out right. The video I just made was a slime thingy, but just like mystery slime, but it didn't turn out good because I forgot to record half of it. So yeah, I have 6 slimes. I used to have more than 6 slimes. 1 I gave to my friends, or 2 I mixed them. You'll see which ones I mixed. That's why they're really big. So we're gonna go from oldest to newest. So let's get in the video. Okay, so first we have this really cute slime that I put in this container because I didn't have another container that would fit the slime. And don't worry about my messed up middle fingers. I don't know what happened. Here is the slime. It's clear slime, and it has pink glitter in it. But you can't tell. And there's hearts for Valentine's Day. And I just have another slime that I bought offline, but something like 3 Christmases ago, so I don't know what happened to it. My next slime is this blue slime. This is my second, not my second slime. I made another one, but I gave it to my friend. So this is my 3rd slime. I don't know what happened to it. I make this one with my 4th slime. So my 4th slime and my 3rd slime is mixed. That's why it's really bad. I don't play with this one, as you can tell. So, and also look in the names, I should name this, say heart 1, you would name, I don't know, just leave comments, and, you say heart 1 equals the name, and the blue 1 equals, and then the rest of the slime, you'll see. First slime, so my 5th slime was a yellow slime, and a blue slime, and an orange slime, and I think another color, and a pink slime, and I mixed them, and it's too big, so it has to fit in 2 of these. Here's this one. This one's better than the one. I feel like the other one dried out. But here's this one. I don't know why it's spread like that. But here it is. It's really good. I really like it. It's really glossy. There's no decorations in this one. This one's just plain. Because obviously I mix the slimes. I think I was going to add these beads, but I didn't. Here's the other half of the slime. So whenever I play with them, fully, I mix them together and put them on that thingy. Or the surface that I play on. So yeah, this slime, these slimes. So this is actually my 8th slime, so 1, 2, 3, because I'm talking about the slimes I made and I mixed. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 8th slime, I was right. But in this video, this is only my 5th slime. I only have 6. And this one was really good. I think my friend added paint to it. Not paint, but this marker paint thingy, which makes it really stiff. But I still like the color purple. It kind of matches my nail. It's a little bit more grayish. But, yeah. It looks gray, but it's actually purple. It's a grayish purplish. So now the slime that I made today is for the mystery slime that I did. So here is the slime that I made today. And it is a sand slime. It's beach theme. It was orange and brown, but they made orange. Then they made tan, and it's really soft. It's supposed to be fluffy, but I didn't touch it. So we went to sand, and I'm glad I went to sand because now it feels like sand. And you can see it's green sand. And it's really soft. This is my best slime because I made it today. And so yeah. I didn't mix no slimes with this one. This one's originally like it is. And this one is the best one, I think. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And in the comments, let us know how many slimes you have. And give me video ideas too. So, deuces.